at that. Wow, you see that, girls? Isn't that cool?
Wow, yeah.
Hi, Jaya and Kaelyn. What do you have there?
We have the tornado lab from Discovery Kids.
Ooh, that looks like fun. Let's see. We have the tornado lab with the, it says create exciting whirlpools and bubble storms and 5-speed tornado control. Ooh, let's go ahead and get ready to unbox it.
Let's open it. Yeah.
Ooh.
Now we're going to fill it up with water. And then we got some little squares. We're going to circle some squares. We're going to put in there.
Yeah, it looks like it's got some cool sound effects there. Look at it go. Isn't that cool, girls?
Yeah, now we're going to put these in. There we go.
Ooh, look at that. Wow, you see that, girls? Isn't that cool?
Wow, yeah.
That's how a tornado is. That is super cool. Yeah.
It goes super fast. Let's see how it looks when it's rolled. Let's see how fast. Now we're going to look like this. Oh, it's that small now. Guys, when it goes to the biggest, now that's small. Guys, when it goes like that.
Oh, yeah, that's the lower setting, huh?
Yeah. So this is the fastest setting. Guys, this is fast. You see, guys? It's so long. It looks like bigger oranges and letters, squares. Wasn't that fun, guys? Make sure you subscribe so you can catch our next video. Yeah. Alright, guys. Bye.